Hi guys, welcome back to Tracy and Lily's Wonderful World of Art. Today we're going to be making angels. These angels are really easy and you can hang them on your Christmas tree or your door, even in your bedroom, and you can give them as a gift.
Okay guys, so for today's lesson, I'm going to be using an old Blick catalog. I have like two of these, so I'm going to be using the pages from this catalog as well as, and of course it's also a part of recycling. I'm also going to be using stick glue. Whatever glue you have, you can use. You will need a scissors, you will need a marker or a pencil. I also have a black colored pencil. You will also need string, and I will let you know what the string is going to be used for. And finally, you will also need multicultural construction paper. Now, if you don't have multicultural construction paper, that's perfectly fine. You can use any color. You can use white, you can use black, you can use any color you can find. It's perfectly fine. I have these, and so I've already cut out my angel's head, and I have these three colors that I'm going to be using. Now, without further ado, let's get started. forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe.